Good afternoon, guys. I am home from work. Diego's having snack. Are you having snack, buddy? Yeah. Wave hi. That's so cute. He waves to the camera. It is incredibly windy today. Look at this. Hold on. So, that right there is our porch swing. And it's toppled over. And that's probably the second time this week that it's toppled over. And it is just an incredibly windy day. I know you can't really tell from here, but it is. And I don't know. I think maybe after Diego finishes his snack, maybe we'll go outside and see just how windy it is. Is that how we eat now? With our face? Does that even work? Oh. Are you sad that the bowl's not edible? It looks like you're trying to eat your plate. Yeah. Swing there. I'm gonna just have George fix it later. I don't know why it keeps falling down. It didn't fall down at our last place too much. Are you liking the wind, Diego? Are you gonna blow away? Oh my gosh. You're smart. You're staying low. Low to the ground. I know this thing is really awesome. It does bubbles, but it's really hard to move in the grass, which is very ironic. We keep getting these mushrooms growing in our grass, and we have to keep picking them out because they're a little toxic. So we don't want Diego no Diego, not for you. We don't want Diego or Pork Chop eating them. Right, Pork Chop? You just chilling there? Hey, boy. Oh, hey. It's not as windy as I thought it'd be. I think it died down a little bit, but it definitely is pretty windy, and looks like it might even rain a little bit. There's some rain clouds up there. Not a whole lot, but yeah, maybe we'll see some rain later today. Ooh, there's a big gust. So I just realized our yard is covered in these mushrooms again. There's a bunch there. So there's that. And then there's some over there. And there. And here. And then right there, and there, and there. I don't know how to get rid of them. So yeah, if anybody knows how to get rid of mushrooms, let us know. I literally picked all the mushrooms out of the yard a week ago, and now there's 3 times as many as there was before. Probably because of obviously all the moisture we've been getting. But still, I haven't had this problem before. Are you comfy there, You just lounging on the couch? Yeah. Are you joining me on this couch now?
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't hit the camera. Oh, you hit the camera. Yeah. So we just got off the phone with my parents. We called them because it was their anniversary today. They've been married for 37 years. It's funny that my mom asked me how long they've been married for to see if I remembered. And at first I was like 20, and then I was like, wait, no, that's not right because I'm 33. No, so yeah. They've been married 37 years. And yeah, so we just called to say hi and happy anniversary. Didn't we, Diego? Yeah. Yeah. And they plan on coming. Oh, jeez. They plan on coming to visit over the summer. They said probably late July, so that'll be fun. You excited to see your grandparents again, Diego? Your East Coast grandparents? Yeah. Chug that milk. Chug, chug, chug. All right, Diego, ready for your walk? Ready to go on walk? Come on. Let's go. All right, we're going to go this way now. And, oh, you lost the rope. Got it? Got it? Okay. You're going to go this way. And this way. Whoop. And we're going to go this way. The little things that entertain your kid. Do you want me to put my shoe on? Almost. Can you put it on? Yeah? Yeah. Almost. Turn it. Oh. You're obsessed with shoes today. Oh, he's coughing. Okay, guys, watch what happened. Watch what Diego does when I do this. I've never done this in front of him before, and he just started doing it. So, look, cooling it down. Cool it down. Blow. Are you camera shy? Yeah. Well, he was doing it. Because I heated it up in the microwave. It was a little too warm, so I'd take the spoon and, blow on it a little bit. Ooh, don't waste your food. And then, I would bring it to his mouth so he could take a bite, and he would blow on the food as well. There you go, buddy. So, yeah. New thing Diego can do. So, if you guys watched our vlog from the other day, you know that I kicked the bathroom scale with my foot and almost thought I broke my toe. Yeah. And so now I just kicked the leg of this chair here with the same foot and the same toe. So, yeah, if it wasn't broken before, it might be broken now. It hurts. Diego, I like your sideways hat going on. That you got going on there. Surprised you're not ripping it off. Usually he doesn't really like wearing hats too much, and he just pulls them right off as soon as you put them on. Isn't that right, dude? Alright, well, we're just going to hang out for a bit outside before Diego goes down. He's having a little bit of a rough day today because I think he's teething again, which is causing some diarrhea and diaper rash and all that fun stuff. But, so yeah, we're just going to hang out for a bit outside. And then once he goes down, I'm going to finish watching Friends. I'm almost done with the series for probably the 50th time. And fold laundry and all that fun stuff. So give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. And we will see you in our next vlog. Have a good night. Bye.